Hey, how's it going, Tycoons? For today's video, we are going to be looking at ticker symbol ROKU. All right, that was one of the requested tickers today in the Discord. So I promised I'm going to break it down. So here we are today. Okay, right now we are looking at the weekly chart. I'm just going to give you guys a brief summary, okay, of what it's done. So in the last 330 days, it had a 330-day run where it ran up over 650%. Okay, and it's cooling off after doing that. Okay, as you can see, it had a big run up. All right, and it's been trading sideways. All right, I know that there's a bunch of drawing and stuff right here, kind of some noise. All right, but we're gonna clean that up in a little bit when we go down to the daily chart. Okay. So we'll go back down here to the daily chart, and this purple line, these purple lines right here is going to be this is our box consolidation. This is the current trading channel that Roku is trading within, okay? And this white line right here is just the dead center in between this purple channel, okay? So you can see when we're above here and we're on the bullish side, it's using this as support and it's bouncing here as support, okay? And when it's below, it's using this as resistance, okay? Currently, we're at the lower part of the bearish of this sideways channel right now. All right. This is going to be our weekly breakout zone. As we saw, we were looking at the weekly chart. Okay, and this is like a weekly sideways consolidation channel. So when we start trading above here and opening and closing on the weekly chart, this is going to be our breakout zone to make new highs past 490. Okay. The reason I'm bringing this up is because Roku recently just had earnings and it just tanked. Okay. Before I dive into that, I want to go over a couple things. All right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 times basically that we have tested this. All right. The more this support level, the more times you test a support level, or the more times you test a resistance level, the weaker it gets. Okay. Basically like every time it goes there, all right, it's gonna fill more orders there, and then it touched there again twice. It filled more orders there, touched there 3 times, filled more orders, 4 times, filled more orders. Eventually, there's not going to be any orders left to fill in the market at that support level, and it's no longer going to be a support level because all the orders have been filled, and there's no longer any demand for the stock there. So the demand is gone. It's not a support level anymore. All right. Um, so if we look at it from a long-term perspective, okay, if Roku was to come down to 256 and then we held it long-term, a year, 5 years, 6 months, however long it takes to recover back to all-time highs, that offers over 90% in stock. So I think that that's a great, excellent long-term investment opportunity. And I also want to show you guys a debit spread, okay, where if you want to capitalize and you get more leverage, versus just shares. I'm going to show you guys a debit spread for March 18th, expiration of 2022 next year. All right, we're going to buy the 480 call and sell the 500 call. And if you can see right here, we'll hit confirm and send for every one of these. It's going to cost us $109.30. That's going to be our max loss, okay, plus the trade of commissions. So that means if this play goes wrong and we fail completely, we'll lose $100 basically, okay? But our max profit on this is nearly $2,000. So would you feel comfortable investing in Roku if you like it long term with a long term bullish call spread like this, to test to see if we can get back to all-time highs? If you look here, our break even is 481.08 with this debit spread, and we'll look at the chart, and the chart has shown us that it already can go above 480. Okay, it's tested it at 490. So if Roku is at 481 or above, by the time of our expiration date, we're going to be in profit on our debit spread. Okay, so that's awesome. That's something that's really cool. All right. And you can sell anytime before March for profit. If you get 100% profit on that and you turn that 100 to 200, please take profit if that's what your plan is. Okay, go into trades with the plan. So I want to give you guys a plan to prepare for tomorrow. I want to put some Roku puts or some Roku call option scalps on the table for everyone. All right. So if we look here, these are going to be my major support and resistance levels, okay? Basically my price targets, all right? So if we bounce here, all right, you know, this would be our bullish price target. And if we drop below here, this would be my bearish price target, okay? I think Roku's due for a big move, okay? As you can see, it's already reacted badly to these earnings. The stock price did, and it dropped a total of 10% at one point before recovering slightly, okay? So I think that you know, you can either, if this downtrend continues, okay, and we break below here, all right, I think that we could continue selling off more, and you could day trade some 5, 10, 15, 20-minute day trade call options or put options on Roku. However, if we come here and we find some demand for here and we start to recover, you know, this thing could snap back very quickly, okay? Because most likely this is going to be a gap down in the market, okay? So tomorrow, the daily chart is going to look like something like this, maybe, okay? So tomorrow, we're going to see the stock open somewhere around down here, okay? And there's going to be a gap now from here to there, okay? That's how gaps are created. A lot of people like trading gappers. A lot of day traders do, and they make a full-time professional living off of it. And some people go do it 1 time a year, get rich, make their money, don't do it again. And some people do it every day, okay? This is a gapper. This is a gap opportunity. And then, you know, this is, in my opinion, a good buy zone for some long-term investment opportunities. If you want to grab that debit spread that I showed you guys, it would be even cheaper to get that debit spread down here at 256. Okay, you don't have to get it right away. You can wait. You can wait to see if we start trading back above here, so we're a little bit bullish and we're back in the sideways channel, because we could just be dipping out of it. Okay, as it's previously done, it's fallen below it. And if you look, what day did that happen on, guys? Earnings. Okay, and what do you know? It recovered very well and made all-time highs after that. Okay, so keep that in mind. Try to digest all the information I just gave you guys, and you know, I look forward to making some more videos. If you have any requests, let me know in the comments down below. Okay, I'll try to get to a video. I'm trying to make videos daily, if not weekly at least. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as well. Okay, really helps the channel out and gets us going, and you know, helps us keep us motivated to keep making good content for you.